Hi and welcome back to Winchester Caravans and Motorhomes. Now we've brought you some fantastic offers that this place have to give you. We've got another one today. Everybody needs a table or two to take away with them. It needs to be compact, but also some people want something that's a bit more elegant than the usual kind of plastic tables. Now this one here from Travellife is really fantastic. It's made of walnut, it's the Iver Lounge 90, and it really is a lovely little table. But the best thing is it is on offer at the moment. Now, usually this is available at £119.50, and Winchester Caravans and Motorhomes have these available at the moment for £50. That's just £50 for this great little table. So let's take a quick look at it. So taking a closer look at this table, as I mentioned, it's got a really lovely walnut finish to it, and it's a decent weight as well. It's not so light that it's just going to fall over very easily. Packing it away, you just take out the end slats, and then this just rolls up, and you can then pop that in the case that's provided. And the base, which is aluminium, literally just folds together, and again, that gets put away. So very compact, very easy to use, very easy to put back up again as well. So there we have it, the Travellife Iver Lounge Table, £50. So if you want one of these, just click on the link below. It will take you to the online shop at Winchester Caravans and Motorhomes. Why not grab yourself a bargain?